Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. That means that we have another review. Let's see who this is from. Got a few things in here. Looks like some pre-stamps. And we have a diamond painting tool. Now this comes from DIYChoose, and I did I did get another one of these. I just think they're too cute, and they're nice and soft and squishy. They make great little gifts for kids that like to diamond paint on stuff, and my granddaughter just loves doing stickers and small things, you know, like ornaments and that kind of thing. So yeah, so this was $1.49, and it also comes in an owl, and it has a few colors of the, let's call it a dolphin, and a few colors for the owl. And some of them come with jewels and some come without. Then you can put your own jewels in there, so that if you're diamond painting one color, all you have to do is unscrew it and pour out some more drills, close it back up, and just keep diamond painting. But yeah, my granddaughter just absolutely thinks these are the thing. So yeah, so we got another one. Alright, so let's get on to the pre-stamped cross stitch. I'll take it out of the bag here. Has a big old crinkly bag. And this is a multicolored owl. It is 50 by 40. Isn't he just cute? But look at all the different things that are in it. I liked all the colors. Just whimsical. Does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. And this paper pattern will match your canvas. I've had these before. Now the owl was $10.09. And has a nice, great, big, huge pattern. Doesn't look too confettied at all. Has some big areas. It has 44 colors. So you can see all the beautiful colors that run up and down here. Nice, easy to read key, lovely pattern, paper pattern. Very easy to see all the different symbols, darkly printed. It's awesome. I love that. Just love it. Let's take a look at those colors. Be crinkling, hang on. Alright, so we have a full hank of black. I guess that's going to kind of define it. Yeah, black everywhere, you know, like lines and then leaves and stuff. So that's cool. Does it say on it? It does say 310 black. Let's get this unwound. It'll be a hot moment. Hang on. Gotta give it a shake shake. It's been all crunched up all the way from China. Alright. Look at those beautiful colors, the teals and the turquoises, and look at that green. It's like a pale blue, a pale turquoise. There you go. You got some limey yellow. So this had a lot of pretty colors in it. Alright. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Nice, bright, and vivid. I think it'd make a pretty cross stitch. I really do. Just beautiful. Colors. Yep, I love the colors. Some days I wish my house was that colorful. You know, walk into a room and it's hot pink, and you walk into a room and it's dashing purple, you know. It's just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Isn't that gorgeous? I can't stop looking at it. Threads are nice and soft. I like these kits. I really do. Oh, and it comes with a kit. You get 6 needles, a thimble, thimble, poof ball, and a needle threader with a little deer on it. So we got another deer. I'm going to set it right up there so it doesn't get separated. It is serged all the way around. I'm trying to figure out which side's up. And it's not too terribly big. Not too big at all. I'm looking for my thing. It has a nice big key, and the thread just barely grazes the edge of the numbers, so they're very easy to read, and so are all the symbols and the symbols on the canvas. I like that. Sometimes they get it a little light, like they ran out of ink or dye or whatever it is that they print that with. I guess it's not ink, it's dye. Alright, so it's 51 by 40.5, so it's a little bit bigger than it says it's supposed to be. That's always nice. 44.5, which is 17.5 by 34, or almost, it's just a little over 13.25. So it's not too big, but it does have nice big areas to stitch in, and not so much confetti. I just like that. But I just thought he was nice and colorful and beautiful. Does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square on here as well. 44 colors, huh? You know, there's got to be a little bit of, what do you call it? Maybe you just don't have a lot of everything. Do you know what I mean? You got your majors, but like maybe one symbol, one or two symbols has very few stitches in it. It's just kind of an accent thing. But yeah, I thought it was beautiful. Just love it. I know, I hit the thing. I'm sorry. And the next one was $7.99. And it's a 40 by 50. Isn't that beautiful? I'll take it out of the bag. For sure, for sure. Well, that is, if I can get it started. Hold that thought, folks. It's okay. If you're just going to be that way. It was all tangled up. We'll get it. Pull it out of the bag so you can actually see it. Isn't that beautiful? I needed another lighthouse. I really did. I've only got like one or two, maybe. But yeah, I just love this with all the flowers here and the beautiful trees and that sky. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Where's the paper? I know there is one. Hang on. So this has a smaller paper. It would need to be blown up a bit, but the key is nice and big. It has 25 colors. So, yeah, there should be some definition there. I'm looking at this. I'm, studying it to see. Some of it is confettied, but not horribly confettied, Others, they just get carried away. I'm telling you. Let's change 15 threads in a place about that big. Holy cow, I'm telling you. It just, doesn't work for me. Yep. And it has no 310, no 823. It does have 939, no 550 purple, no 3371 or 3865. They're using 3770 for a lighter color, like in the clouds and stuff. Just beautiful. And for the price, that's not bad at all. Let's take a look at the threads. Hang on, gotta shake them out. Now they did write the product number, the last 4 numbers on that number that runs across the top is your product number. So they wrote that on this card, which is very nice. And kind of pale, softy looking colors. I guess that's for the clouds and stuff. And the pale pinks. But you do have some darker colors. Some rusts and gold. Look at that teal. Oh, God, that is to die for. Love it. And then they have other greens, dark greens. There's your 939. I had to think what that was. Just beautiful. Nice mixture of colors. Like the sun is getting ready to go down and it's at its brightest and it's shining on those beautiful pinky clouds. Just beautiful. So I don't know if it's a sunrise or a sunset. You know, let me know in the comment section. Let's take a look at the canvas. Now that paper pattern will match your canvas. Here's that 4-digit number that I told you about. So it has the same numbers running across. And this is not too big, but it has a lot of detail to it. So we'll see how it all comes out. Now, looking at this, it's a tad bit, it's micro compared to the last 2 great big ones that I got that have so much confetti in it, you just can hardly deal. It's about all I can do to focus on what symbol it is that I'm looking for, you know. But just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And it does have the colors running down the side on this one. Some do, some don't. A DMC number symbol and the number on the thread card. Let's see how big it is. It's supposed to be 50 by 40, if I could just talk. So it's 48.5. So they're a little short that way. By 39. So they missed the mark both directions on that as far as the picture goes. The actual picture is 39 or almost 15.5 by 30, which is about 11 3/4. So it's not too terribly big. It does have some big areas to stitch, which is nice. So we'll see how detailed it is. And at any time, you know, you get these kits and you do the whole thing and you think that it needs a little back stitching to define something, go for it. It's your picture. You know, nobody's going to reprimand you or anything. But yeah, just beautiful. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, DIYChoose has diamond paintings, cross stitch, beaded cross stitch, embroidery. They have custom. They have a separate Joy Sunday category. They also have paint by numbers with tools and crafts for that. They have tools and crafts for diamond painting and cross stitch. And they have free shipping on orders over $39. If that changes, I will let you know in the description box below. And sometimes they have like a special, buy $50 and get a free item. So they are always having specials. They have really great prices. So do check them out. Thank you, DIYChoose, for sending me these beautiful, beautiful kits. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.